10 easy tips to organize your refrigerator. If you're like most people, your refrigerator probably needs a good clean. The back of the fridge can become a haven for expired condiments, week-old leftovers, and molding vegetables if you're not careful. This is why fridge organization is so important. You will want to deep clean your fridge quarterly, about 4 times a year. And while every fridge is different, there are several hacks you can use to keep things in their place. Follow this step-by-step guide to have your fridge shining in no time. 1. Use a Lazy Susan to easily find food. The back of your fridge can become a black hole where food items get lost until long past their expiration date. Keep all food products easily accessible with a Lazy Susan. Traditionally used in the spice cabinet, Lazy Susans are useful in the fridge as well. Keep things like open jars, snacks, or condiments on top, and spin the disc as needed to reach the items you need. 2. Group like items together. Keep like items grouped together with clear baskets to ensure they are easily accessible and ready to grab. Baskets could contain leftovers, sandwich fixings, smoothie ingredients, or sauces. 3. Hang baskets to utilize wall space. You can buy baskets that stick to the side of your fridge with suction cups. They are super handy for putting small things that might otherwise get lost in the refrigerator. For example, you can put string cheese, small cups of hummus, or pre-made lunch meat and cheese roll-ups. Just stick the basket to the insides of your refrigerator wall. 4. Use curtain ring clips to hang bagged items. Many fridges have wire shelves or bars on the edge of their shelves. If you have bagged items like shredded cheese or lettuce, you can hang them from the edge of your shelves to use the space below. You will need to buy ringed curtain clips like these. Then simply clip the curtain ring clips on and then hang your rolled bags as needed. 5. Use file organizers to store snacks. Most paperwork is done digitally these days, making file boxes a thing of the past. However, these boxes make the perfect shape to store all kinds of snacks. You can store anything from small containers of chopped veggies to yogurts, pouches of applesauce, and pouch drinks. Label them for even better organization. 6. Line the bottom with paper towels. Your crisper drawers can be some of the most unpleasant places to clean in your fridge. Keep them cleaner, longer, by placing a layer of paper towels at the bottom of the drawers before loading them with fruits and veggies. The paper towels will collect little bits of broccoli or onion peels that tend to fall off over time. Replace them every 2 weeks to make cleaning a breeze. 7. Use drawer dividers. You can use dividers that are normally used for clothing drawers in your crisper drawers too. Just buy the adjustable kind and organize to your liking. It's best to group greens like lettuce and spinach together. Onions, garlic, and ginger can go in another, and things like carrots and snap peas in another. 8. Designate each door section and label it. To keep things supremely organized, keep like items in each drawer divider and label the outside of the divider with a sticker or magnet. Example of like items include sauces, sandwich dressings, or specialty items. 9. Use an egg carton to store condiments. Place an egg carton at the bottom of any section where you are storing condiments in bottles. Things like bottled mustard, mayo, ketchup, or dressing can be stored upside down, nose first in the egg cartons. This will keep them organized and reduce waste. 10. Fill one lower door shelf with kids' drinks. Create a kid-accessible refuel zone on the bottom shelf. Fill it with kids' drinks or grab-and-go snacks like yogurt. Teach your kids that they can grab a drink whenever they are thirsty and keep it stocked for them.